mid, small T plates, oblique angled. These plates are indicated for extra-articular, partial articular and complete articular fractures of distal radius. These plates are separately designed for left and right sides. All holes of the plate allow 3.5 mm cortical and 4 mm cancellous screws. These plates are available in number of holes varying from 3 to 6 and in lengths varying from 39 to 78 mm. Small T plate oblique angled are available in stainless steel and titanium. Narang Medical Limited follows international quality standards to offer the best quality product. While manufacturing, every minor technicality is taken into consideration. High technology machines are used for better production and faster deliveries. For more information, you may log on to www.narang.com or www.ortho.in.